Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by launching File Master and signing in. This gives the app permissions to manage files. Once done, choose a default workspace and storage path so everything stays organized. Enable folder access and two-factor authentication to secure syncing across devices. Make sure your network is stable, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, because initial sync can transfer many files. These steps let you proceed confidently. They reduce conflicts and keep versions consistent before you create or import any content. You now import content, drag and drop folders, or use import folder for bulk moves, which preserves structure. Once files are in, create tags and folders to categorize by project or date. This makes searching instant. Set versioning and retention rules so old drafts don't overwrite important work. If needed, batch rename and convert formats to standardize files across teams. Make use of previews to confirm changes. Doing this reduces mistakes and speeds collaborative editing later on. Finish by running a full sync to propagate edits and confirm status indicators show success. Share files via exported links, set granular permissions, and schedule automated backups so nothing is lost. Once synced, verify team access and test a restore to ensure backups work. If something goes wrong, files stuck or errors, check the activity logs, confirm network connectivity, and verify storage quotas. Clearing a stalled queue or reauthorizing access usually resolves issues quickly and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.